Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and enjoy study from your home. I am Manisha Rathore, teacher of Shri Vasisht Vidyalay, coming with today's subject, and that is EVS. And the topic is My Body Part 2. In previous video, you have already learned about My Body Part 1. In that topic, you learn about external organ. Today, we learn about sense organs and internal organs. We start with sense organs. What is sense organ? The parts of the body which help to feel around us are called sense organs. I repeat, the parts of the body which help to feel around us are called sense organs. Now, how many sense organs are there? There are 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, skin, tongue and nose. Let's see the function of sense organs. The function of sense organs are important because they allow us to understand the world in which we live. The function of sense organs are important because they allow us to understand the world in which we live. We start with our eyes. With our eyes, we can see the beautiful world. Students, without eyes, we cannot see anything, right? With our eyes, we can read the books, watch the television, see the different colors and see all the things around us. Now see the next one. Ears. We can hear with our ears. We can listen music, songs and hear all the sounds of our surrounding with our ears, right students? We can recognize different sounds. On hearing sound, we can guess the source of sound without seeing. For example, we can easily identify our mom's voice, sound of an aeroplane, sound of alarm. Right students? Now we see number 3 sense organ, and that is nose. We can smell with our nose. We can smell flowers, perfume and the delicious food. We can smell perfume, flowers, yummy foods and fresh flowers. Now number 4 is tongue. We can taste with our tongue. We can understand different types of taste like sweet, sour, bitter, salty. Right students? So many foods item, and we can taste all the food item with our tongue. And the last sense organ is skin. Skin is the longest sense organ of our body, which found all over the body. I repeat this sentence. Skin is the longest sense organ of our body, which found all over the body. It helps us to feel hotness and coldness of the things around us. Even we can feel hardness and softness of the thing around us. So this is all about sense organ of our body. So student, you understand that sense organs are very important in our body. Now we learn about internal organs. What is internal organs? Some parts of our body are inside it. We cannot see them. These body parts are known as internal organs. I repeat, some parts of our body are inside it. We cannot see them. These body parts are known as internal organs. Now there are so many internal organs in our body. But for first standard, we learn 4 major internal organs, and they are heart, brain, lungs and stomach. Let's see the function of it. First we see heart. Heart is on left side of the chest. It pumps the blood. It provides blood to all body parts. The heart is a hard worker and it never rests. So we should take care of it by doing regular exercise and taking healthy diet. Students, remember that your heart is your life. Next one is lungs. Lungs help us to breathe. Lungs get filled with air. So lungs are important organ for breathing. We should take care of it by taking fresh and clean air in breathing and avoid smoke and polluted air to breathe. Now we see the next internal organ, and that is brain. The brain is in the head. The brain controls the body. Brain is a major organ of the body. Brain can monitor the function of all the other organs of our body. Even brain can help us in thinking. So brain's function is very necessary in our body. Now the last one is stomach. The eaten food goes to the stomach. The stomach digests the eaten food. So stomach is very important organ of our body and we should take care of it by eating fresh and healthy food. So students, this is all about internal organs. So please try to learn it properly with each organ's name and its function. Now it's time for homework. This is your assignment. You have to write it in any book or any page and you have to submit it to your class teacher when school will reopen. So with this topic I say you just take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.